Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue south on Interstate 95 beginning at mile marker 83 in Palm Beach County as we enter the city of Palm Beach Gardens. Palm Beach Gardens is a thriving community known for its upscale neighborhoods, golf resorts, and shopping destinations. The city is home to the Gardens Mall, a major retail hub, and boasts several championship golf courses, including PGA National Resort, host of the PGA Tour's Cognizant Classic. Palm Beach Gardens had a population of 59,182 as of the 2020 census. As we head south, we're now fully within the Miami metropolitan area, the most densely populated region of Florida. Over the next few videos, we'll be passing rapidly through a patchwork of cities and towns along I-95 with frequent changes in jurisdiction and character. The drive becomes increasingly urban from this point on. We now pass through Riviera Beach, a coastal city with a population of 37,604 as of the 2020 census. Riviera Beach is home to Peanut Island, a popular destination for boaters and snorkelers, and also hosts the Riviera Beach Seafood and Music Festival each spring. Next up is West Palm Beach, one of the largest cities in South Florida, with 117,415 residents according to the 2020 census. This is a vibrant cultural and economic center with attractions like the Norton Museum of Art, Clemata Street Nightlife, and Sunfest, Florida's largest waterfront music and art festival held each May. Note that throughout this stretch of I-95, including portions of the previous and following videos, the left lane is a high-occupancy vehicle lane, marked with a white diamond and separated by a striped buffer of double white dashed lines. This distinctive marking allows vehicles to enter and exit the lane freely at any point. The HOV lane requires at least 2 occupants per vehicle during weekday rush hours, and semi-trucks are not allowed in the 2 leftmost lanes, including the carpool lane. Special thanks to 504 Road Trips correspondent Michael Rivera for calling attention to this feature. We now reach Lake Worth Beach, a city of 42,219 people as of the 2020 census. Known for its historic downtown, beachfront casino building, and vibrant art scene, Lake Worth Beach also hosts the Street Painting Festival every February, which draws tens of thousands of visitors.
I can feel it all around. A chronicle of people caving in. Staring out the window. Did you say something? Well, I lost it. Did I leave the fire burning or the water running? Are we flooded? What if everything is ruined? 'Cause I spaced out. If I try to fix it, they'll see it's my fault. And anxiety, why do I predict the future? Cut without a suture.
Next is Lantana, a small coastal town with 11,504 residents at the 2020 census. It's known for its charming waterfront and annual Lantana Fishing Derby, which dates back to the 1950s.
Bruise inside my brain. And anxiety, why? What if I leave my keys in the door and they've been taken? Can't get back in. All my things.
Now we enter Boynton Beach, a rapidly growing city with 80,380 residents as of the 2020 census. It's a popular spot for outdoor recreation, offering access to the Boynton Inlet, scenic parks, and wide beaches. The city also hosts the Pirate Fest and Mermaid Splash each October, a family-friendly celebration of all things nautical.
I predict the future, pain without a suture, that fades until I faint. And anxiety, why do I relive the past? That song that's always blasted, drilled into my head. And anxiety, why do I relive the past? That song that's always. Do I? It grows powers in it. Why? I predict the future. And anxiety, why? I relive the past. And anxiety, why do I predict the future? The ending's all around, drilled into my brain. And anxiety, why do I relive the past? The song that's always blasting deep into my brain. And anxiety, why do I relive the past?
We end today's video at mile marker 54. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special recognition to Bradley Walsh, our newest channel member and inaugural member at the Navigator level. If you'd like to become a channel member, click the link in the description and you'll get early access to our regularly scheduled videos. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.